Hey guys, before this video begins, I have some amazing news. We as Dollar Influencer will be doing a massive giveaway on the 26th of November on Black Friday. Yes, you heard that right. You and two other people can stand a chance to win 1,000 Rand on the 26th of November. Do you know how you can stand a chance? It is very simple. All you need to do is like and subscribe and make sure that you go on the comment section and comment something. It does not need to be anything in specific. You could just be talking about how the video helped you. It could literally be anything that you can think of. Just make sure that every single video you comment from now up until the 26th of November, and you could stand a chance to walk away with 1,000 Rand in your pockets. Me and Dollar Influencer will be announcing the winners on the 26th of November. So what are you waiting for? Make sure to hit that like and the subscribe and comment something right now from now to the 26th of November, and you could be the lucky person walking away with 1,000 Rand in your pocket. So let's jump right into the video. Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make money with an app I like to call Donald Chicken. Now it might not make sense right now guys, but this is one of the best apps that I've ever encountered, and if you make sure that you follow my steps 100%, then you will be walking away with the knowledge to make a lot of money. So before I begin, my name is Larry and welcome back to Dollar Influencer. Make sure to hit that like and the subscribe button so you are always in tune to our newest videos. The giveaway is still happening soon guys, so make sure to comment, like, you know exactly what you need to do. So without wasting any more time, let's jump right into this video. So guys, the first thing that you need to do is that I will be leaving the link to this place, and once you get there it will say here Donald Chicken guys, and as you can see you can register. But before we do that, I'm going to take you through all of the places. They've been trusted by GT Foods and also by Tyson, as it says your low cost purchase of chicks. Now let me explain this to you guys perfectly. It says the market price for chicks is 8.5 Rand, and our strong support chain can keep it down. Low cost fee, the average market price is 6 Rand, and for a high return you can make 201% profit. Now it says you're about our giveaways. Free experience contract package. For new registrations, get a free 42-day contract package with 201% yield. But before we do that, let me take you to the statistics. 2,3 thousand chicken farmers plus 500 chicken farms and 10 years plus experience, and a 99% survival rate of these chickens guys. For the main history, it says here in 2010 the first farm of its own was created in Brazil, and in 2020 it introduced fully intelligent incubation equipment and started mass production, and 2015 they're growing by 30 plus chicken farms, and in 2020 they established it. So now, as it says here about our products, the purchase contract, get daily income and return. So this is the good part about it, is that you can get something in return. For a 7 days product guys, which is 200 minimum, you get an investment of 25%. For 243 Rand you get 54%. For 21 days 400 minimum you get 87%, and for 28 days which is 532 Rand you get 124%, and for 800 Rand minimum you get 165%, and for 42-day product which is 1,000 you get 201. As it says your research integration and advanced model feedings is 3 Rand kgs, years of farming experience, intelligent hatching equipment, and fast response. So after you've seen all of that guys, you can click on the registration thing and it should take you to the part that I want you guys to pay close attention to, because without this part you will not be able to earn. So what I did here guys, that I added my mobile number, which is 067-763-0484. Then I decided to create a very strong password. Now you need to make sure that this password is very strong, so that you do not have anybody trying to hack your account and making money the same way that you do. So after that guys, you write your email. After you've written your email, then they are going to send you an SMS, and then after they send you that SMS, then I'm going to show you exactly what you need to do. After that, guys, I'm going to get an SMS right now, and I'm going to put in the SMS that I got. So make sure that you add your right number, otherwise you will not get a verification SMS. Now after I do that, guys, I wanted to make something very important. I added a wrong password that did not match, and I did this for a reason. I did this to show you guys that you need to make sure that your password matches and you remember your password. Your password is a very important thing. It is one of the most important things about it. Now after you've done that, guys, you will be successfully registered, and as it said from the beginning, you will receive a reward from doing it, a cash 40 rand contract, 132 for free, just from registering. So once you have registered, guys, the job is nearly done, the job is nearly complete, and after that you will get to this place where you click on feed, and after it is done feeding, you will get this notification: feeding is successful today and come back tomorrow. And guys, it is that simple, guys. So just keep coming back every single day doing the same thing. And if you feel like I do not explain this properly to you, watch the videos, guys, research more, go in the about section so you can find more about Donald Chicken. If you follow my instructions, then I promise you will be okay. Anyways, guys, thank you for tuning in to Dollar Influencer. Make sure to hit that like and that subscribe button. I will definitely be leaving the register link in the description down below. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.